Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Teamwork. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn reading a map, how to read a map. Before this, in English for grade 2, you have learned by looking at picture, how do we find out the things, right? So beta, this picture tells us something. Likewise is a map. This is what we are going to learn further to explain simple position on a picture, illustration or a map. This is our today's SLO. So our focus is to locate position on a map. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Ar-Ra'd verse 3. And it is He who spread the earth and made in it firm mountains and rivers and all fruits. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? Whether this beautiful verse is telling us a brief map of the earth, and the creator of the earth is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah created this earth and there are mountains, rivers, fruits and whatever Allah has created. So we pointed on, have you ever seen map of earth, a globe? Have you watched? If not, you should try it. And better to point where are mountains, where are rivers, where is water, where is land, there are keys. So this tells us how to read a map, right? So this is a bigger picture. We are going to read about a smaller picture. And before starting our lecture, you tell me, what is a map? Do you know what is a map? Whatever you know, just tell to your teacher. And what is a simple key or legend on a picture map? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope after answering these questions, a brainstorming is there. So let's learn further about a map. A map is a drawing of a selected place. So we select a place and we draw it on a piece of paper that is called a map, usually drawn on a flat surface. So that flat surface can be a paper or a board or whatever. So when we draw a place, it is called a map. Now you are drawing it. How I will come to know what is there? So to find out, we make different keys. Maps present information about the world in a simple visual way. They teach about the world by showing sizes and shapes of countries, locations of features and distances between places. So beta, when we are making word map, so you see word is too big. How we can draw it on a paper? So we have to take the things appropriate to their size. Okay? This size is known as scale. So this is very detailed, but we'll discuss just few things. Maps can show distribution of things over earth, such as settlement patterns. They can show exact locations of houses and streets in a city neighborhood. And now it's very easy. You can Google a map as well. Okay, so you can watch it and you can just move on it to find out how it's done. Okay, so this is how. There are 7 continents. So this is how we make a word map. Now I'm going to tell you how we read it. A legend or keys display the meaning of the symbols, colors and styles. Basically, how to read this map, we make different keys and legends to help you to tell what is the meaning of this symbol or what is the meaning of this color on this map. So this is how you tell the reader of the map different symbols and colors. The map key or legend is an essential part of the map, but without this map is incomplete, because what you are thinking, I've just done it, how I'll come to know. So you'll have to make a key to help me to read the map. It explains what the symbol on the map mean and allows you to make sense of the map, right? So this is how such type of symbols, such type of keys we use on a map. So wherever we want to, for example, this picture I have taken to show airport. This picture I have taken to show hospital. This picture I have taken to show food outlet. This is how different symbols show. This is for post, right? So there can be variety of symbols, but it should be wherever in my map I'm using a food outlet, I will use this symbol. This is how a key or legends are attached with the map to read it. So today our focus is to how to read map, okay? Not how to draw. We are going to just read it. So are you clear with the concept? Let's practice it through an activity. So I brought this map for you. Teacher, you can use the same or you can take any map of your choice, but what your focus should be, you will ask the students to look at the map, read aloud and find different map keys, okay, on the map picture, and teacher will help and guide students for finding map keys and title of the map, right? This is title of the map and here are the keys which you'll have to find. For example, if I ask you where is Punjab, so here is the key for you and you will find out it's written as well and the color. This is how every child will find at least one place on this map, and teachers kindly make sure every child understands how to read a map. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now, can you read a map? Wonderful. Let's practice it in your book. It's question number 9. So here are the legends. All of you open your book, open this map. These are the keys which are telling us different things. This symbol is showing railroad. This symbol is showing street. You see, these are streets. This symbol is showing lake. So these are the legends. This is a map and you have to answer these questions. So all of you, this is your individual activity. Pause the video, complete this map reading on your book, tell the answers to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? You see, it's so simple. That's good. So it's time for your homework. You will write answers for question 9 in your notebook. And now you have done it in your book. So you will do it in your notebook at your home. And here is a worksheet. Once again, you will read this map and there are questions. You will answer them. So my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned the knowledge, we got the knowledge about maps and how we can locate different places on it by the help of map keys, and we achieved our SLO to explain simple positions on a map, on a picture illustration or a map. So our focus was a map. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.